What's up, guys? We are on our way on another adventure with David this time.
Cheers.
He's never been on the channel. This is my brother David. We are on our way to pick up his first street legal motorcycle.
First, yes, I'm happy.
So, not his first motorcycle. You know, he's had dirt bikes and stuff, so he knows how to ride.
First street legal.
First street legal bike. And we're on our way right now to go pick it up.
Motherfucker that's representing the city. And that's
So we'll see what it is.
The city you from. Shit don't make no motherfucking sense. If I love something, I'ma love anybody, you know what I'm saying, or anything that's represented, especially if they doing that shit right. That's full gauge, nigga.
I've been riding through the city in a hoopty. I've been ballin' since a youngin' like a nigga wanted college to recruit me. Obviously it didn't happen, now I'm rapping trying to dodge all of these groupies.
Yeah, boy.
I'm trying to
got
put
the
on
Yeep.
for my city.
In the trailer. Going to pick up this bike.
What? What? What's going on?
So I haven't had the trailer on this channel. I built this thing just for the motorcycles. So it's a little bit messy in here right now, but I got my cabinet I built. And the wheel chocks. So we can fit the motorcycles in here. The whole thing's insulated. Tie downs. Good to go. So this is the full rig setup. Jeep handles this thing like it's a dream.
I just hope a hate nigga don't shoot me. Don't shoot. As a kid, I was told once. Yeah. If you ain't got nothing good to say, the nigga don't say shit. I was told by a hoe once. Yeah. If the girl you fucking ain't wifey material, then watch out who you lay with. Damn, she told me she know by experience. She's not the girl to put trust in. At the moment I became so curious. I asked her, how do you
Here
find?
she is. So we have a 2003 DRZ 400 with Warp 9 wheels. Some fancy schmancy headlight that we might change.
Absolutely changing it.
And she's pretty much stock.
It's green.
Except for
It's very green.
it has, I think, like four plus teeth in the rear sprocket.
Better?
Yeah. In gear. So yeah, we didn't want to record the guy who sold it to us. Just kind of felt like it would have been a little bit rude, but we got it for a good price. And you happy with it?
Oh yeah, absolutely. I think it's gonna be. I think it's gonna be great, dude. First bike. Yeah, I'm happy. It's what I've always wanted. So looks good.
And we got the missus. Say hi.
Ready?
Yep. And get out of here.
How you gonna back in the truck?
Get on down to the house and unload it. Well, it's the next day now. We got back pretty late last night, so figured we'd do a little bit more about the bike.
Stock exhaust.
Yeah, it's gotta change.
It's gotta change.
Yoshimura with
Love then. She said there's no love in these streets and you know that. When you get out the city, my nigga, don't go back. But I'm still riding through the city in my whole thing. I've been ballin' since a youngin' like a nigga wanted college to recruit me. Obviously it didn't happen, now I'm rapping, trying to dodge all of these groupies. I'm trying to put on for my city, I just hope a hate nigga don't shoot me. Don't shoot me. Yo, living silence is the motto. Dodging all of life's potholes. When I dip, call me Nacho. When I take my shirt off, I'm young P.D. Pablo. Like what? I took it way back. Back when Eddie Curry was a rookie. Back before I started writing music. Back before we all can see the truth without looking. Demons follow me wherever I go. I pray to God that's watching to tell the truth. I don't play that often. Demons on my shoulder like Iago. I wish my angel could tell me everything God knows. One day I'ma find out. I told my girl I don't believe in side hoes. I told her I do not believe in good luck. I told her that I really hate the 5-0 because I know they watching while I'm riding in my hoopty. They don't wanna see me ballin', they would hate to see a college recruit me. And because it didn't happen, now I'm rapping.
Little by little. Second gear?
Second gear. That's where it's at, bro.
Yeah, I know.
Well, for me at least.
Yeah, well, that's what I said. I want to try third gear.
Huh?
Let me try a third gear on it. You want to follow me with mine?
Yo, once you get it,
You feather it.
oh my God.
Yeah.
Wow. That got me feeling crazy, bro. Like, oh,
Now they laughing like how the system gon' do me. Trying to put on for my city, I just hope the fucking cop don't shoot.
That was the longest wheelie I ever did.
huh?
That was the longest wheelie I ever did.
Fucking lit, bro.
Third gear.
Third?
Yeah.
Kill it, let it cool down.
All right, we changed up the headlight on her. It's now a couple days later, and taking her out for a little maiden voyage. Been out here doing some wheelies on this road. It's dark now, so hopefully Jesse got some good footage on it, and I got some good footage on it. But overall, man, what a fun bike this thing is. Definitely a wheelie machine, that's for sure. Just got to learn how to wheelie it properly, because I don't know how to wheelie. So what do you think, David?
I love it, man. It's perfect. It's literally everything that I wanted in a bike.
Turn this
And-
way. We got to get you in the light.
Yeah, I think it's perfect, dude. It's perfect for me, because all I want to do is wheelies. So it's perfect, man. I love it. I got my first wheelie on it today, which is it's good. And yeah, you're gonna see more of me for sure.
Yeah, we still got some more work to do to it. He's talking about maybe changing up some more, but definitely
As of right now, it's fucking perfect, bro.
definitely with the headlight helped it out a lot.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, we got both KLRs out and brought the DRZ, just putting around, and figured we'd make an outro to this video and get everything all wrapped up on this so we can hopefully put out another good video, and definitely be looking forward to this thing in the future. Maybe we'll do a bike and its rider episode on it or something. All right, guys, if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Like always, comment, hit that subscribe button. You know, if you leave us a comment, let us know what you think of this thing. And we'll see you guys real soon.